Salutations, my fellow Earthlings, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how Meghan Markle receives a public apology from British newspaper. Let's get right into it. Meghan Markle won a legal battle against the publishers of the British publication The Mail on Sunday. The publication printed a front-page mea culpa to the Duchess of Sussex, as required by multiple rulings that the Mail on Sunday and the Mail Online website breached Markle's privacy in February of 2019 by printing elements of a 5-page letter she wrote to her father shortly after her royal wedding to Prince Harry in May 2018. It's been argued that Markle's argument that the letter was private shouldn't hold, asserting that it's expected to become public. The text messages, though, they show Markle mentioning the possibility that the letter might be leaked, a possibility that appeared to influence how she'd actually drafted the message in the first place. In a witness statement from Meghan that was previously provided to Insider by her representatives, she said that she didn't actually want any part of the letter to be published at any point. Sunday's front page notice reads, "The Duchess of Sussex wins her legal case for copyright infringement against Associated Newspapers for articles published in the Mail on Sunday and posted on Mail Online." The remainder of the public apology reads on the other page, "Following a hearing on the 1920, January 2021, and a further hearing on May 5, 2021, the court has given judgment for the Duchess of Sussex on her claim of copyright infringement. The court found that the Associated Newspapers infringed her copyright by publishing extracts of her handwritten letter to her father in the Mail on Sunday and on Mail Online. Financial remedies have been agreed." On February 11th of 2021, Judge Mark Warby of the High Court in London ordered the Mail on Sunday to pair the apology with a longer notice inside the newspaper under the headline, "The Duchess of Sussex," which explicitly states that the court found Associated Newspapers infringed Meghan's copyright by publishing said excerpts of her handwritten letter to her father. He also ordered that the apology appears on the homepage of Mail Online for a period of 1 week, and including a hyperlink to the official judgment and summary under the wording, "The full judgment and the court's summary of it can be found here." Despite a legal challenge from the publisher, the Court of Appeal in London affirmed Judge Warby's verdict in the privacy and copyright infringement case on December 2nd. The Duchess might hope to obtain large financial damages from the media group in addition to the public apology carried on the front page of the Mail on Sunday and the homepage of the Mail Online. Meghan's estimated $1.88 million in legal bills for pursuing the 18th month-long action was ordered to be paid in full by the publisher of the Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday in March. Speaking in a remote hearing at the High Court in London, Warby stated that the decision to award Meghan the interim payment was made to reflect what he considers the likely costs reasonably incurred were. He went on to say that while the estimate was rough, it was about as generous as Meghan could hope for, and that he thought the money was actually recoverable. While Meghan's legal papers show that she had initially hoped for an interim payment of $1.04 million, her attorney, Justin Rushbrook, quickly replied that she had been instructed in pithy terms to accept the ruling. In a statement on December 2nd, Meghan said, "This is a victory not just for me, but for anyone who's ever felt scared to stand up for what's right," she noted. "While this win is precedent-setting, what matters most is that we are now collectively brave enough to reshape a tabloid industry that conditions people to be cruel and profits from the lies and the pain that they create." Meghan continued, "From day one, I've treated this awful lawsuit as an important measure of right versus wrong. Every defendant has treated it as a game with no rules, and the longer they dragged it out, the more they could twist facts and manipulate the public, even during the appeal itself, making a straightforward case extraordinarily convoluted in order to generate more headlines and sell more newspapers, a model that rewards chaos above truth. In the nearly 3 years since this began, I have been patient in the face of deception, intimidation, and calculated attacks." Regardless of her battle, she still confirmed that she wrote an emotional letter to her estranged dad to stop other royals complaining about him to Prince Harry. She said that in the text she wanted to respond to her father, Thomas Markle, since Harry was irritated by being asked questions about him in the wake of his frequent, often embarrassing, media appearances. Harry had spent a week endlessly explaining the situation to Prince Charles and other royals. Markle then wrote to Jason Nauf, one of her most senior staffers. She wrote that the royals didn't understand that she wouldn't be able to stop her father's inventions by just seeing him. She claimed that by writing to her father, Prince Harry would be able to at least inform them that she wrote a letter and that he's still doing it, according to the text exchanges. She went on to say that she didn't think the letter would make Thomas Markle stop. And that's it for today, guys. So if you liked the video, make sure to hit the button that says you do a hyuk. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we make for you guys. Make them just for you and I bake them with love. So we're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Later.